You might have different types of events, and you may want to view only certain types of events at times, and in that case you can utilize calendar filters. So to do that, you need to go around under filter right here and then choose what you want to display. Like, let's say for example, you can disable appointments, as you can see right here, and disable meetings, as you can see right here. You can also go around onto sent meetings right here, or accepted meetings, or declined or cancelled not responded meetings right here, just like this, and only see the one you want. Like, you can, for example, disable everything right here, and then what happens is that it only will show all of these meetings right here, like appointments and so forth. You can also go around onto categories, and let's say for example, disable the blue category right here, or only see the blue category right here, just like this, or just like this. Or you can see the uncategorized events, as you can see. On the show as section, you can go for free, working, and busy right here, just like this. Like, these are the busy areas, and you can go around and filter it out. And you can also see the recurrence options right here. Like, you can just see the single events or only the recurring events, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the filter inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.